Hello, I'm CADian. Let's take a look at the convenient functions of CADian. CADian is a CAD software compatible with AutoCAD, developed by the Korean company Korea. In CADian CAD, you can easily create dimensions for circles and arcs. Let's take a look at the circular dimension feature in the utility menu. Use the pull-down menu to execute commands. Click on Utility, then the Dimension menu appears, and click on Circular Dimension. When you select a circle, its diameter dimension is displayed. By moving the cursor around the circle, you can display its dimensions as linear measurements. To display the dimension as a radius, type R on the keyboard and press Enter. Click at the point where you want to place the dimension to complete it. Now, let's create dimensions for an arc. Press Enter on your keyboard to repeat the command. Selecting an arc displays its radius dimension. To display the length of the arc, type L on the keyboard and press Enter. To display the length of the chord, type C on the keyboard and press Enter. Click at the desired point to complete the dimension. We have created dimensions for circles and arcs using the utility feature in CADian CAD. If you have any questions about CADian, please contact us on the website or via email. Thanks for watching.